Welcome, kindred soul, to the turning of the wheel. October arrives cloaked in amber and gold, whispering to us through falling leaves and cooling winds. This is the season where the veil between worlds thins, where shadows stretch long and spirits draw near. In the heart of autumn, every rustle of leaf and flicker of candle becomes an invitation to connect with deeper mysteries. Today, we journey into the magic of October, exploring the spiritual meaning of autumn, the rituals of harvest and release, and the ways you can weave this sacred season into your own practice of witchcraft. October is the threshold month, no longer the bright abundance of summer, not yet the still silence of winter. It is liminal, in between, a realm of balance and mystery. The ancients saw this as a sacred time of descent. Just as the leaves fall back into the soil, so too do we turn inward, reflecting on what has bloomed and what must now be released. In witchcraft, October holds powerful associations. The waning sun teaches us to surrender. The harvest moon guides us with gratitude and closure. The thinning veil offers communion with spirit, ancestors, and intuition. It is a month of reckoning and remembrance, of honoring cycles both seen and unseen. The harvest of October is more than fields of wheat and baskets of apples. It is the harvest of the soul. We reap not just crops, but the results of choices, actions, and intentions sown throughout the year. In ritual, harvest becomes a mirror. Corn, pumpkins, and apples symbolize sustenance, fertility, and protection. Wheat and grain remind us of life's fragility, the eternal balance of birth and decay. Wine and cider embody transformation, the alchemy of time and patience. Witches of old celebrated these truths with feasts, offerings, and firelight, gathering to give thanks to the land and to honor the spirits of field and forest. Now let us step into ritual and the ways to embody October's magic in your own life. Light a black or deep purple candle. Write on parchment what no longer serves you: fears, habits, burdens. Burn it, letting the smoke rise to the unseen. As the ashes fall, whisper, "I am lightened, I am free, I am whole." Slice an apple crosswise to reveal the star hidden within. This sacred 5-pointed pattern has long been used for divination, a reminder that answers are often concealed in plain sight. Eat the apple slowly, asking the spirits for guidance. Place photographs, heirlooms, or offerings of food and drink upon your altar. As candles burn, speak the names of your ancestors aloud, weaving their presence into the fabric of your ritual. Gather with others or sit in solitude. Fire holds the spirit of transformation. Write wishes for the coming months and cast them into the flames, letting sparks carry them skyward. Step outside where the leaves are falling. Close your eyes. Inhale the crisp air, imagining you draw in the wisdom of the season. Exhale, releasing all that weighs heavy. Let yourself feel the rhythm of death and rebirth within your breath. October teaches us that endings are not to be feared, for they are the soil of beginnings. As the earth withdraws into quiet, so too can we seed intentions that will rest in the darkness, gestating until spring's return. Take time this month to journal or meditate upon. What lessons did the harvest of this year bring me? What do I release into the shadows of October? What seed of intention will I plant in the fertile dark? When spoken aloud or written with clarity, these intentions align with the energies of autumn, ensuring that the dark months ahead become a time not of loss, but of profound renewal. So, dear seeker, October is not merely a passage of time. It is a living spell, a sacred dance of death and rebirth. Each ritual, each whispered prayer, each flame lit in the night aligns you with the deep currents of magic flowing through this season. May your harvest be abundant, your release gentle, and your intentions rooted in wisdom. And as the veil thins, may you walk with courage into the mysteries of autumn. If this journey into October witchcraft has awakened something within you, I invite you to carry these rituals into your own practice.